I bet you know these looking gorgeous female celebrities. I'm going to be recreating their makeup look, so stick around with me as I do that. To begin with, guys, I'm going to be cleaning my face using rose water to remove the excess oils. Until I look away. I'm going to be using this small mirror of mine, and here is my primer. As you fade away, as you fade away. I'm going to start with my brows, so I'm going to brush them off using this spoolie which broke. That's why you can see it halfway. I'm going to use Davis number 11 and I'll mix it with this black one. Yeah.
You look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really.
After filling in the spaces, I'm going again with my half spoolie to brush off the brows. For easier blending on the upper side of the brows, I use foundation. This is the Milan Liquid Foundation. I feel like blending with concealer on the upper side is hard for me, so I use foundation because it's easier to use and it's easier to blend as well. Felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. And so far so good. This is how we look. What do you think, guys, about these brows? Baby, I'm going in with foundation now. This is the Milani Matte Foundation. I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. I have reached a point whereby I don't care if my face don't match my neck, because when I apply makeup, I think my neck tends to be so dark, so I've reached a point where I'm not caring about that anymore. I don't know about you guys. Comment down below what you think and what's your opinion on that. I'm using the Illegal again to conceal my under eyes, my nose, the chin, and the forehead. You fade away. So far, guys, what do you think about this recreation video? Personally, I'm dying to see the results. Like, I'm dying to see the outcomes, you know. To set, I'm going in with such a buttercup powder and this big brush. Yeah. You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. For my eyeshadow, guys, I'm going in with Miss Rose palette, and I love this palette so much. This is my first purchase, and which I think it's so nice for beginners. And this is how it looks on the inside. It has the, you know, the beginner colors, the nudes are there. And so for Medina's look, I'm going in with the black shade, applying it on my eyelid.
Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday,
Again, I'm picking this color. It looks like brownish. Yeah, applying it on top of the black, then blending it.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of
Then this shimmery color to put on the end of the eye.
any differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Then for the wing, I'm using this 2-in-1 eyeliner.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to
For the lashes, I'm using Note lashes. They look so cute, by the way.
way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't
Here is the lash glue. I'm sorry for the lighting here. It's a colorless lash glue.
we blew it all. Too many things going on.
For Medina's look, guys, I'm going to use this as my hijab because I don't have the exact pink one. I'm going to use this zinaitwa kikoi as my hijab. So far, guys, what do you think about that look? Oh my gosh! I'm going to be trying more to be, you know, smoky. I think it looks good.
Or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a
If I tell you guys how I struggled to do this hijab, God knows, guys, I struggled.
part of it. I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it.
Anyways, guys, I learned how to do it, and here we are, baby, here we are, guys. Can't wait to show you, can't wait. And I used this pin to attach, is it to attach or to keep it in place? And baby, if I tell you, oh my god, oh my gosh, guys, what do you think? Guys, comment down below if I killed this look. Did I kill it? Our next look, guys, we are using this pink shade on our brows because I think that matches mungai Eve's color on the eyelid.
Consequence, the volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't.
For Mungai Eve's look, she had only pink shade on her lips, a gloss on her lips. So I feel like we are somewhere. And guys, did we do it? What do you think, guys? I want to know at the end of this video, which look did I kill? Like, which look? I wanna know. For our next look, guys, I just added the shimmer color on my, hapa hivi kwa macho kidogo, on the lid kidogo, because Georgina Jenga's look was similar to Mungai Eve's. What do you think, guys? The pink shade, I don't know how it looks on me, I don't know, but I love it so much. What do you guys think? Did we do it? I didn't have a pink, glossy lip, so prepping my eyes for the next look. This was different because she had lipstick. For the eyeshadow, we are going to use this brownish color. It's nude. Yeah, and that's it. Imagine, guys, she had just that. And guys, if I tell you who the look we are making, you guys wait for it, baby. For the eyeliner, I'm using this 2-in-1 eyeliner. And for the lips, guys, I'm going to be using Huda and Matte Silk lipsticks. So I had to mix them. I had to put the maroon one on first, and then I put the red one on top. And because she had a wig, guys, we are going to put our own wig, which I handmade. So don't judge it the way it looks, you just know that I handmade it. This is the wig, and what guys? Subscribe, guys, if you haven't, because this channel is getting hotter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.